Well, hello everybody from, once again, sunny Southern California. Yesterday was a soggy day, but things have cleared out here, so you can actually see the Hollywood sign over my shoulder. Yesterday, the visibility was pretty bad because of all the rain, and believe it or not, it's not that much warmer here than it is in Minnesota. About 15 degrees warmer only, 59 degrees here, and we both have the same amount of snow. Los Angeles, Minneapolis, St. Paul, 0 inches of snow cover here. A brown Christmas for both. Very soggy yesterday across California, and as I talked about yesterday, some of that moisture is headed towards Minnesota. Actually, some of the clouds you're seeing today came from the Pacific. But rainfall totals were impressive, 1 to 2 inches in LA proper, but outside of that, several inches of rain. And the red blob you see in the east central part of California, that actually fell as snow in the Sierra Nevada. Yeah, multiple feet of snow when it's all done here over the course of the weekend. So that plume of moisture you can see all the way from the Pacific moving now through the southwest, rains in New Mexico and Arizona, and then that mid-level moisture all the way into Iowa and southern Minnesota. So a couple of those showers from earlier in the day came from the Pacific just a couple of days ago. And yeah, we've got the next system coming into the northwest. You can see the isobars across Montana drop off there. Just a few clouds, but that's the system that'll bring some light snow for central and northern Minnesota here on Christmas Day. And yeah, not really any hope for snow in southern Minnesota. These temperatures are just kind of crazy for Christmas Eve. Mid-40s across central and southern Minnesota. Much colder to the northwest, though, and that's the colder air that'll be moving in for the next couple of days. So we'll drop below freezing for tomorrow and Sunday. But yeah, pretty bleak-looking snow cover map. Across southern Minnesota, you can see no real snow cover, so we will not pull off a white Christmas in the Twin Cities. Snow, though, to the north, not a ton of it, however. So snow showers start in the morning tomorrow and move right across central Minnesota. You know, even St. Cloud will see some light snow. In the Twin Cities, we're looking at probably just flurries. We'll be lucky to get a dusting midday on Christmas Day. So best chance of seeing more substantial accumulations will be in the northwestern and central parts of the state, where up to an inch of snow could fall. Even, again, as close as St. Cloud could see a ½ inch to an inch of snow. So some of those areas that are bare ground will pull off some snow tomorrow. And then the next system, the bigger one, comes in Sunday. Snow starts by the evening hours, probably by between 5 and 7 p.m. in the Twin Cities. We'll have snow through the night, Sunday night. But the first part of the night is when we'll see the heaviest snow showers, and then it'll all wrap up early Monday. Still a range of possibilities for Sunday night snow, but generally starting to close in on a more of a confident, narrow range, with the heaviest totals by far across northern Minnesota. And they'll get some lake enhancement across the North Shore, so over a foot of snow could fall there Sunday night. So Twin Cities looks like pretty confident range of 2 to 4 inches. On the low end, maybe a couple of inches, and probably not much more than 4 for the Twin Cities. Tuesday still has a little bit more potential, but there's, because it's several days out yet, a little bit more of a wider range of possibilities. And we're kind of looking at some narrow pockets of heavy snow, which are going to be kind of hard to pinpoint at this point, because again, it's several days out. Track of this thing could change with the colder air coming in, but potential for maybe some higher amounts, maybe in that 4 to 6 inch range. A couple outlier models are heavier than that. But either way, between Sunday night and Tuesday system, we should be whitening things up again. So that warm air of today moves off. We're going to see some cooler air move in for tomorrow. Briefly above freezing Monday after Sunday night snow. And then behind Tuesday's storm, we are looking at colder air moving in. Again, this has been the question mark for the last week. How cold does it get late next week? Many of the models do push us finally below 0 early Thursday morning for the first time in the Twin Cities. And coldest temperatures of the season so far, probably for most of the state. So you can see that sub-zero greenish gray all across Minnesota and western and northern Wisconsin. So 25 on Christmas Day, pretty seasonable temperatures. Again, just some flurries and a few light snow showers in the Twin Cities. Sunday, we see that snow start in the evening through the night, Sunday night. Again, briefly milder Monday. The sun should peak out in the afternoon, I think. And then we'll see that snow start up Tuesday. So again, a couple possible significant snows, or more significant than we've seen, Sunday night and Tuesday. And then the cold moves in. Again, it is going to be colder. It's just a question of just how cold does it get. But it's going to feel very different here Wednesday, Thursday, regardless of if it's single-digit highs or teens. And again, potential for that first sub-zero reading. We'll try to squeeze that in before New Year's Eve, coming definitely later than normal.